Sometimes you plan for a group ride and only 3 dudes show up. And if you're trying to beat that summer heat, then don't go on a motorcycle ride into the hills where there's a fire burning. But for the 3 of us, staying home was not an option. Alright guys, we're going on a ride with Vic and Jesus. Got the last Dyna Wide Glide 2017. Yeah. Time to go, boys. So I've never gone on a ride with Jesus or Vic, and today, Vic is our road captain, and he only got us lost once. Like the 2 is coming up. Watch out for this van. Yo, that car. All right. Woo, it's wide open. I honked on accident. This is where we got lost, and when our road captain led us up this giant hill. Ah! But what was more terrifying was going down that giant hill. Got some air right there. I'm just getting the shot. I'm getting the shot. Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah. Man, the air got hot right here real quick. Woo! Yeah, it's a scorcher. Alright, let's roll. Jesus mentioned that all this greenery reminded him of Jurassic Park. This beautiful symphony is for you. BMW R9T. It's about that time to roll out. The ashes are falling from the fire nearby, and I'm sweating in places I've never sweated before. This pretty much wraps up this video. If you want to see us slowly go down this hill, feel free to watch this beautiful scenery. But if not, until next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and continue to ride safe. Peace. Feels comfortable.
Yeah, there you go.
It came with these bars too?
Huh?
It came with the bars?
Yeah, the previous owner lifted them. Normally they're like down here.
Oh, nice. I like this. Wide glide. All right, Jesus.
All right,
Good
man.
riding with you, brother. We'll do it again.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, man.